How to link bank account to Moomoo. Moomoo is a global investment and trading platform. The platform offers commission-free trading in U.S. stocks, ETFs, and options, along with access to Chinese A-shares and Hong Kong-listed stocks. First, download the Moomoo application. Log in to your Moomoo application. Then click on Me page. Click on Deposit. Click on Deposit via ACH. Tap Add a bank account and enter your trading password to begin. Please notice that only U.S. bank accounts are allowed. If you can't find your bank in the bank list, you can add it manually. Tap Continue to link a bank account. Find your bank in the bank list, then enter your credentials to log in. Once verified, your account will be linked immediately. That's it. Thanks for watching.